Welcome to day 6 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on the seated dumbbell shoulder press, a key move for building stronger shoulders and upper back. Sit tall on a bench with your feet flat on the ground. Hold 2 dumbbells at shoulder level, elbows just under shoulder height. Make sure your wrists are stacked above your elbows, palms facing forward. Press the dumbbells straight up overhead, not forward. At the top, your arms should be straight but not locked. Slowly lower back to the start, controlling the movement and breathing through each rep. Avoid arching your back. Keep your spine neutral and core tight. Practice with light dumbbells, aiming for 3 sets of 10 reps. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and follow on Insta. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.
Welcome to day 7 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on overhead dumbbell triceps extensions, a key move to tone the back of your arms. Grab a single dumbbell, holding it vertically with both palms under the top plate for control. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and keep your spine neutral. Raise the dumbbell overhead, arms fully extended, and tuck your elbows close to your ears. Slowly bend your elbows to lower the dumbbell behind your head, only as far as your shoulder mobility allows. Remember, your upper arms stay stationary. The motion comes from your forearms. Avoid arching your lower back. Engage your core to protect your spine. Keep your wrists straight and maintain a firm grip to stabilize the weight. Press the dumbbell back up with control, fully extending your arms to activate those triceps. Watch out for common mistakes: flaring elbows, rushing, using momentum, or holding your breath. Repeat slowly for the best results. Start with 2-3 sets of 10 to 12 reps using light weight. Focus on form over load, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in day 8.
Day 8 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're mastering the bodyweight lunge, a key move for strength and balance. Let's dive in. Step forward with control, steady and confident, like you're stepping onto a rail. Knees should form a perfect 90-degree angle. From the side, ensure your front knee stays over your ankle, never past your toes. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Imagine a string lifting your chest up. Stay tall, don't lean forward. Your back heel should stay lifted. Maintain your balance. Your back leg supports but doesn't dominate. Remember, we're using only body weight. Focus on stability, not speed. Form is key. Alternate legs with control, and on-screen tips will guide you. Knee over ankle, straight torso, controlled descent, no leaning forward. Aim for 8 to 10 reps per leg, 2 to 3 rounds. Keep your breath steady and posture clean. Like, share, and subscribe for daily form fix workouts. See you in day 9.
Day 9 of your 365-day fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on wall push-ups, a safe way to build chest strength for beginners. Stand facing the wall, hands shoulder width apart at chest level. Now, step back to create a slight incline. Keep your body straight and your core tight. Lower your chest toward the wall, keeping your elbows at about 45 degrees. Push back with control. Remember, no shrugging or sagging. On-screen tips: hands at chest level, tight core, elbows at 45 degrees, full range, no arching. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8-12 reps to build foundational strength. Like, share, and subscribe for daily posture perfect workouts. See you in day 10. Day 10 of your 365-day fitness journey. Let's fix your dumbbell deadlift form and prevent lower back pain. First, remember, hip hinge, not squat. Focus on bending at the hips. Keep your back flat, no rounding. Notice how the dumbbells track your legs throughout the movement. Drive through your heels as you lift. Maintain a neutral neck alignment for safety. Now, do 3 sets of 8 to 10 controlled reps. Fix your deadlift. Build real strength. Like, share, and subscribe to stay aligned through all 365 days.